Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Tomlov, 2024, new DM501S, 2K, flexible arm digital microscope, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because newest flexible arm digital microscope. Tomlov DM501S has created a new observation experience. Its unique 3-axis rotation and bottom 360 degrees rotation flexible arm design allows you to adjust the observation angle as you wish, not only horizontally and vertically, but even rotate 360 degrees in all directions, so that you can easily get plenty of space for soldering, easily capture a full coin view, and get the best observation angle. In addition, less space occupation and more possibilities. 7-inch True HD IPS screen with full glass coverage. This soldering microscope boasts of the market's first full glass covered 7-inch HD IPS screen, which offers 50% better viewing angle, 50% brighter, 60% better color, and 80% better sharpness than other recessed screens. It provides accurate color reproduction and image representation from any perspective. Whether for professional use or everyday observation, the HD IPS screen of this coin microscope guarantees an exceptional visual experience. Superior 2K digital microscope. Upgraded to 2K UHD video and 48 megapixel imaging. Experience the Tomlov DM501S HDMI microscope's stunning 2K, 2880x 2160p, 60 fps, video and ultra-clear 48 megapixels, 9456x 5312p, color still images. Together with full glass covered True HD 7-inch IPS screen, you can explore the micro world with superior clarity and precision. CMOS 1/3.0-inch IMX sensor coin microscope. Tomlov DM501S utilizes superior CMOS 1/3.0-inch IMX sensors, improving image accuracy by 50%. Perfect for coin collectors and professionals, it excels in soldering and coin examination. Elevate your soldering microscope endeavors with this indispensable tool. Experiencing unmatched clarity and accuracy. Design of lens with polarizer. Tomlov DM501S LCD digital microscope lens design is equipped with a polarizer, which can effectively remove unnecessary reflections or glare on the surface of the object. In order to achieve better contrast, make it easy to observe reflective objects like coins, SMD/PCB board, diamond, metal, and more. This is very helpful for electronic repair, coin collection, and watchmaking hobbies. Custom-made heat-resistant Pro soldering mat. This soldering microscope is equipped with an 18-inch heat-resistant soldering mat that protects your surface from temperatures up to 1112 degrees Fahrenheit or 600 degrees Celsius, and provides ample workspace for soldering operations. Moreover, the soldering mat is divided into multiple functional zones, including a scale ruler, part areas, magnetic areas, screw positioning areas, PCB board location area and more. Bid farewell to clutter, keep your repair work organized from now on. Illuminate your view with high-lumen gooseneck fill light. Unlike ordinary models, our digital microscope with screen features an impressive flexible gooseneck fill light that supports 10 levels of light brightness adjust. And the gooseneck light also supports lighting both lights or either of the two lights individually. Delivers exceptional brightness and uniform illumination. Every intricate detail comes to life, enabling you to explore your subjects with unparalleled precision and clarity. Professional bottom transmitted light. Except for the LED around the lens and gooseneck fill light, our HDMI microscope is also equipped with professional bottom transmitted light, which provides bright, dimmable transmitted light from below the stage for transparent slide specimens. Tomlov DM501S digital microscope is the ideal choice for viewing biological slides. Excellent 5x to 2000x zoom. Experience the incredible details of soldering, coins, watches, plants, diamonds, and more with the remarkable zoom range of 5x to 2000x. This feature allows you and your children to explore a more vivid and clear microscopic world, immersing yourselves in the joy of this coin microscope for error coins. Delve into the fascinating realm of magnified objects and uncover the intricate wonders that lie beyond the naked eye. HDMI and USB output for easy sharing. Tomlov DM501S electronic microscope features HDMI output and USB-C interface, enabling easy connection to your computer, TV, or projector. You can share your fascinating discoveries with others on a larger screen or capture and save videos or images for further analysis or documentation. This feature is perfect for classroom demonstrations or remote learning, making it easy to explore the micro world and share your findings with others. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.